Hi everybody. We're going to take you over to Naco Camp over in Naco, Arizona today and shoot a little footage there.
Yeah, just coming up with ideas. We didn't feel like doing a lot today. We're kind of tired, but thought we'd go for a ride and see what it's all about out there. What did you find out on the internet?
I know it was started in 1910 and it was part of the border project. So that was kind of cool. I don't know if we can get into it, but I do know I saw an aerial footage of it and it was gated around it. So we'll see if we can get into it.
Pretty neat out here at Camp Naco. Looks like just some old buildings that are kind of dilapidated, but they're made of like mud, like adobe.
Adobe and stone
Stone.
and wood.
And wood.
And as you can tell, the house is over to the side over here.
Camp Naco. City of Bisbee is proud to be the steward of the Camp Naco. It is truly an historic treasure to be preserved and developed to remind all of us of the rich history we enjoy in our borderlands of the United States and Mexico. Please treat it with respect it deserves. Camp Naco was constructed between 1919 and 1922 as part of the United States Water Department Border Defense Construction Project. It was in response to turmoil created by the Mexican Revolution. The military posts along the United States-Mexico border were to provide a show of force and deter rebel activity on American soil. Camp Naco was part of the 10th Cavalry Patrol District. It was the only post constructed of adobe and is the only site in Arizona still standing today. From 1935 to 1937, the Civil Conservation Corps was based here. Buffalo Soldiers, Camp Naco was home of the members of the U.S. Army 9th and 10th Cavalry and 25th Infantry. From 1911 to 1924, American Buffalo Soldiers moved to its Naco outpost. From 1911 to 1924. Their duties focused on patrolling the border and protecting U.S. citizens who came to Naco to watch Mexican Revolution battles raging across the line. Very, very interesting. So there's a lot of history here.
looking at.
It's beautiful out here. The scenery is amazing. We're mountain boys. We're hillbillies.
Hi everybody, thank you for joining us going out to Naco, Arizona today. We had a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun. It was different. I don't know, it wasn't really something you'd want to drive far to see, but if you're in the area, it's definitely worth
Going
seeing,
over.
going over for the day. It was a perfect place to go during the coronavirus, the pandemic,
Yeah,
because there's no other people around.
something to look at. It
Something
was
to look
kind
at.
of cool.
It was
I
cool.
mean, there was houses on one side and the base on the other. It was kind of cool.
And we got to learn a little history, and it was a fun day.
Yeah, and we got to look at the border
Got to look
and
at
the
boys.
beautiful mountains that are around it. Of course, we're mountain boys.
Yeah, we're definitely the hillbilly boys. It's just who we are. Anyways, I think, do we want to toss it over to Minerva and let her have a few tips and tricks?
Sure, we'll do that.
Minerva?
Thank you for joining the boys today going over to Fort Naco. Here's some tips and tricks with Minerva. At Fort Naco, there's really only about two tips that I would give. Tip number one would be definitely take plenty of water because you're going to be walking on the road. It is hot. You are in right next to Mexico, so you can see the Mexico border, so it is a hot area. So bring plenty of water. Tip number two, if you are going to be out and you do suffer from like heat exhaustion or heat exposure, you might want to bring an umbrella just to kind of keep the sun off of you. Because like I say, you are walking on blacktop. It is a fenced-in area, so you're not actually able to get to the structures because they are dilapidated. But that was tips and tricks with Minerva on Fort Naco.
Thank you, Minerva. Awesome as always. So, I think that's about it for this week. Thank you all for joining us. We had a lot of fun. And until next week,
Have a divine life.
Thank you everybody again for watching our videos. We really appreciate it. We love making these videos. We plan on doing it forever. We would sure appreciate it if you would
Subscribe.
push the subscribe button and also hit the bell next to it, as that'll remind you that we are on every Sunday at 6 p.m. Mountain Time. And also, if you like our video,
Hit the thumbs up.
hit the thumbs up, the like button. Again, thank you so much for watching our videos. And until we see you again,
Have a divine life.